Kate here with WTI, and I'm sure you'd agree that we all want nice, fresh, youthful looking skin. This serum from Mito-on, it's a cell rejuvenation serum, and it has 10% niacinamide. So what that does is it really helps you to have an even skin tone. It helps to retain the moisture. There are anti-wrinkle properties in it. It's a really beautiful serum. There's no added scent, so it's not irritating to my skin whatsoever. I generally apply this at night before bed, but it would be a perfect daytime serum as well. You just make sure to apply to clean skin, and then you want to moisturize after. It works along with your regular moisturizer. It has a really nice texture, nice and silky, absorbs very easily. There's no stickiness. You don't feel like you have anything on your skin, just the great results. I find it lasts a long time. You only need one pump. It's got a really nice pump, so it disperses the perfect amount. And on mine, it has a 2.5-year expiration. So that's really nice. You're gonna finish this way before it expires. So if you're looking to bump up your skincare routine, maybe you wanna fight aging, then I definitely think you should try out this great serum, and that's my point of view.